Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to put in some Freon into this 2006 Toyota Sienna. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to the highest setting. Make sure your AC button's on. Make sure it's on the cold temperature. And then in this case, I'm going to turn on the back AC also. Alright, on this vehicle, our port is right here on the left hand side of the engine. So our engine's right there. It's right here on the left hand side. Usually there's a cap right there, but in this case I don't have the cap. So, and then over here we have our little sticker. It says max capacity of 134A, 1.9 pounds. I'm sorry, 1.91 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and see how much Freon we have there. See if I have any at all in there. Okay, I got a little bit. I got my AC Pro here. I got my gauge. This is a pretty cool one. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. Alright, I have my AC Pro gauge installed, and you can see it's reading that it's low. It has basically nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and recharge it. Alright guys, so I have my can here, and then I have my gauge. We're gonna go ahead, and since I have the setting on high, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it, and then rotate it so we can get the compressor to kick on. Compressor just kicked on. It's gonna suck it in right now. So we're gonna go ahead and go in this motion here. This can right here is 12 ounces. So we're just gonna do that.